Join me as I dive into the world of Sound stock and challenge myself to uncover expert insights that could change the game right now. Sound stock has been making waves in the market lately, and it's no surprise why investors are keeping a close eye on it. With its unique position in the industry, Sound stock has the potential to be a game changer for those who get in on the ground floor. But what makes it so relevant in today's market? The current economic climate has investors on edge, and Sound stock is no exception. With market fluctuations and uncertainty looming large, it's natural to feel a bit hesitant about investing. One of the biggest challenges facing Sound stock investors is navigating the complex web of market trends and predictions. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, but it's crucial to separate fact from fiction. Another challenge investors face is understanding the impact of external factors on Sound stock performance. From changes in consumer behavior to shifts in global economic policies, there are many variables at play. And let's not forget the competition. Sound stock is not the only player in the industry, and investors need to consider how it stacks up against its rivals. The COVID-19 pandemic has also had a significant impact on Sound stock, with many investors forced to reevaluate their portfolios in response to changing market conditions. As the economy continues to recover, it's essential to consider how Sound stock will adapt to the new landscape. So what's driving Sound stock performance right now? Experts point to a combination of factors, including changes in consumer behavior and advances in technology. One key trend to watch is the rise of streaming services, which has led to increased demand for high-quality sound equipment. Another factor is the growing importance of audio in the overall entertainment experience. The current market trends are also worth keeping an eye on, with Sound stock experiencing a bit of a roller coaster ride in recent months. Some experts predict a continued upward trajectory, while others are more cautious, citing potential risks and uncertainties. Key factors influencing Sound stock performance include the company's financial health, industry trends, and global economic conditions. In terms of expert insights, many analysts are bullish on Sound stock, citing its strong fundamentals and growth potential. However, others are more skeptical, pointing to potential risks and challenges that investors should be aware of. One expert prediction that's worth noting is the potential for Sound stock to benefit from the growing demand for immersive audio experiences. The expert consensus seems to be that Sound stock is a high-risk, high-reward investment that's not for the faint of heart. While some experts predict significant gains, others warn that the stock could be volatile. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Sound stock will depend on individual financial goals and risk tolerance. To make informed investment decisions, it's essential to stay up to date on the latest Sound stock news and trends. By doing your research and considering multiple perspectives, you can make a more informed decision about whether Sound stock is right for you. In conclusion, Sound stock is a complex and multifaceted investment opportunity that requires careful consideration. By staying informed and expert insights, you can make a more informed decision about whether Sound stock is right for your portfolio. So what do you think about Sound stock? Have you invested in it before, or are you considering it now? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, be sure to check out my previous video on market trends and insights.